Hi, it's Pam. Navigating Medicaid can be confusing, but it doesn't have to be. Medicaid Made Clear is your comprehensive, easy to understand guide to one of the most important healthcare programs in the United States. Whether you're applying for the first time, renewing coverage, or simply want to understand how Medicaid works, this book gives you the clarity and confidence you need. Inside this book, you will discover a clear explanation of Medicaid programs, funding, and eligibility. Step-by-step guidance on how to apply and avoid common mistakes. Detailed coverage of benefits for children, seniors, pregnant women, and people with disabilities. Updates on policy changes, expansions, and state-specific variations. Answers to common myths, FAQs, and how Medicaid interacts with other health coverage. Practical bonus resources including a quick reference cheat sheet, state directory, and application checklist. This book is perfect for individuals and families navigating Medicaid enrollment or renewal. Caregivers helping children, seniors, or disabled family members. Anyone seeking to understand Medicaid coverage and benefits, advocates, social workers, and professionals who need a reliable, concise resource. By the end of this guide, you will understand who qualifies, what benefits are available, and how to maximize your coverage, giving you peace of mind and control over your healthcare decisions. Take the guesswork out of Medicaid and empower yourself with knowledge today. Whether you are applying for coverage, helping a loved one, or planning for the future, this book ensures you have the guidance you need in one clear, practical resource. Click the link to order now.